Hi. Me and my sister are going thrifting today. Okay. You ready? Yeah. Those are cute. I can't find cute stuff because I'm not that good at thrifting, but we're still here anyway. They have so many good movies. Like,
They really do.
they have the Scooby-Doo. I want to get the Scooby-Doo one, actually.
Oh my god.
I'm not
This is
kidding.
so funny.
Chick-fil-A! Yes.
All your clips of you just singing
Yes,
random things
because-
and making odd noises, they're not gonna fit together. Like, there's no
That's
plot.
fine.
There's
Who's
no
gonna
plot.
complain?
Savannah,
What can I get for you?
can I have 2 Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwich meals? That iced tea, sweet tea for both of them with light ice. To 1, and then can we have Chick-fil-A sauce and ketchup?
Got all these.
Yeah, boy.
Here's a Chick-fil-A
burning my legs. Yes. Do I care? No, not really. Tell us about your watch.
My watch is from the 1920s Art Deco period, and I thrifted it / vintage shopped for it when I was in Wilmington, and it's 100 years old.
That's so cool. The only thing I really thrift are giant ugly man sweaters.
I love that for us.
Yay!
Love that.
Woo! We're sisters. Can you tell?
So obvious.
Ooh. Okay, here's the deal. I'm not good at thrifting for multiple reasons. 1, I'm super impatient. 2, I don't have the best sense of style. Thing is, I don't know. I'm not good at like only sticking to one thing. So instead, I just wear oversized things, which I'm trying to stop doing because it's lame and it's really boring. Is it cheap? Yes. Do I like it? Yeah. I'm trying to change my style, but that's like a very slow process. So of course today, I got 2 sweaters and some jeans, even though it's June 21st, officially the first day of summer. I don't even know. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Don't laugh. I know it's giant men's sweater and I just said I'm trying to switch up my style, but I'm not there yet. But don't lie to me. This is super cute. I love the detailing. It's I don't know how to say that. Anyway, it's very nice. And I think I'm gonna crop it because I've always wanted a crop sweater. I'm just gonna do it because I'm an adult now. I've been an adult for a year. So now this is also a men's sweater, but it's way cuter. It's like form-fitting. I look super cute in it, and I'm not gonna change it just because I don't know. I like it. It's very like I'm 35 and I'm still kind of cute. So I don't know. I like it. You'll see. It's cute. I promise. I don't know what brand this is, but I don't know. It's cute. I like these. This is cool. I don't know what to say about it. It's now these. This is probably the best piece I've ever thrifted. And the gag is, I didn't even thrift this. My sister found it and gave it to me. So this is Anthropologie white jeans. There is kind of a stain on it. That's kind of gross. I'm gonna see if it'll wash out. If not, I'll like, I don't know, embroider or something. But I like this detail. It has like this weird strap thing. And they're just really, really cute. I like how big the pockets are. They're kind of like capris, but on me they just look like regular jeans because I'm 5 feet tall. I love these jeans. They're really cute. And I'm going to show you what they look like on after. I'm going to try to crop the sweater first and then I'll show you everything. Okay, so I put the giant sweater on so you can see what it looks like. I just realized I don't. Okay. This is really ghetto. I'm filming on my iPhone because I don't have a real camera. But as you can tell, it's really long. I'm going to crop it, but I first have to see what length I want it to be. I'm thinking like here. I don't know, but first I gotta map it out. So I gotta get a pen, and we're gonna mark this for where I wanna cut it. I might ruin this, and if I do, I'm gonna be really upset, but that's life. Am I right? I almost died. Am I right? Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and marked it, like right here, clearly, as you can see. I do like it long, but my mom's gonna hate it, and I'm gonna get sick of it really fast. So I'm gonna crop this beautiful sweater. Am I regretting this? Yeah, because I look really cute right now. But I already committed, so I'm gonna crop it. I always draw like below where I think I'm gonna cut it in case I mess up, because usually I mess up. So it's kind of lower, but it should work out. You'll see. I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, so I have the sweater laid out on my desk and I'm gonna cut it, and fingers crossed. I'm really nervous. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, here's the first cut. Is it terrible? No. I've done worse. I'm just gonna flip it over and we're gonna try to make this work. Okay, so instead of flipping it over, I just did it on the inside, like the inside of the sweater, just so it wouldn't show. And so I put it a little bit lower than the first cut because, you know, I'm about to mess up. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so I totally didn't even record the second cut because I don't know, I just didn't hit the button, which is really great, but it actually came out pretty good. Like, I'm satisfied with that. So now I'm gonna cut the sides, which is kind of the most important part. I think I might cut it straight and then I'm just gonna cut it straight. Okay, it actually looks pretty good. I'm satisfied with that. Like, this side kind of messed up, but this side pretty good. But now I'm kind of scared that I cut it too short. Let's just put it on and see. How about that? Okay, it's a little shorter than I would like it to be, but that's like not bad at all. For me cutting it by myself, I can live with that. That I'll have to fix. But I kind of like it. My mom might not like it that much, but I think it's cute. It's trendy. It's freaking cool. That was embarrassing. Anyway, I'm gonna try this stuff on so you can see. It's kind of short. Oh my gosh, but I like it. I'll just have to wear only high-waisted stuff with it and pull it down like. Oh. Okay, or you know what? It's fine. We're gonna work with it. It's a new year. We can show a little midriff as how I feel. Anyway, I like it. I'm here for it. Here's the rest of the stuff. So, it's a few days later and I have this shirt on again because I was dying to wear it. And here it is. Yeah, I think it's even cuter than I remember it being. I like that it's kind of frayed at the ends. It's very edgy, which I kind of like. I don't know, it's always kind of been my thing. I like torn stuff. Stuff that looks worn. I like when things look worn. I feel like it makes it feel more like earthy or homey or whatever. But yeah, I'm probably still gonna sew it just because I think it'll last longer if I sew the ends. I love the shirt. The whole experience overall was really fun. Usually thrifting for me is kind of frustrating because it's like, how does everyone else find such great stuff? And I find like maybe one windbreaker. I don't know. But yeah, I had a great time filming this. It was really fun to go shopping with my sister. I would do it again. If you guys are down to watch that, I'll make another one. But I think if I do another one, I'll try to look for different styles. I'll avoid the sweaters and I'll go for the summer stuff because it's summer and I need to stop sweating when I go out the house. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a like if you like the video. You can comment if you want, but please be nice because I don't have the time. Here's my Instagram. You can subscribe down below. Until next time, keep it cute, guys. Bye.